In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust decimal places in Google Sheets. If you've ever had a column of numbers that looks a little messy, some with 2 decimals, others with 4, and a few with none at all, this quick skill will help you clean that up. We're going to adjust how many decimal places are shown so your data looks consistent and is easier to read. Keep in mind, this changes how values are displayed, not the actual values stored in the cells, so your formulas and calculations still use full precision. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and locating the numbers you want to format. Make sure those cells are actually stored as numbers, not text. If they're numbers, they'll typically align to the right by default and you'll see them behave like numbers in formulas. If anything looks like text, such as a value with a leading apostrophe, you'll want to correct it first so the formatting tools apply properly. Next, highlight the numbers you want to adjust. Click and drag to select a range, or click the column letter to select an entire column if all the data in that column needs the same formatting. You can also select multiple areas by holding your modifier key while clicking additional ranges. The key idea is to have only the cells you want to change selected before you apply formatting. With your cells highlighted, look up to the toolbar for the decimal controls. You'll see 2 buttons, one to decrease decimal places and one to increase decimal places. Hovering over them will show tooltips that say decrease decimal places and increase decimal places. They're usually near the formatting options like currency and percentage. Click Increase to show more digits to the right of the decimal, or click Decrease to show fewer. Each click adjusts the display by 1 decimal place, so click as many times as you need until the numbers look right for your use case. Remember, this is purely a display choice. If you reduce the visible decimals, Sheets is still storing the full original value behind the scenes. That's helpful when you care about presentation, but don't want to affect totals, averages, or any formulas referencing those cells. If you ever go too far, just click the opposite button to bring decimals back. This same approach works for values already formatted as currency or percentages. It's a great way to keep reports consistent, make dashboards easier to scan, and prepare data for sharing. Once you're happy with the display, you're done.